Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial again, and in this tutorial I am going to cover a very important topic, HTTP module. So in last topic we have learned about the module. So we have learned how do I create a module and how do I call one module to another module with the help of keyword required. So let's use those keywords and start with the HTTP module. So I have created a file that's named as the HTTP module. Now let's import first where HTTP equal to require HTTP. So it's a predefined module of Node.js. Now, so you have heard also about the anonymous function or nameless function in JavaScript. So let's write a callback function var callback equal to function req. This first parameter is a request and next parameter will be response. Now you can write console.log connected to server on 3000 port. Now you can start the create server, and here you pass that callback function. So whenever the server is ready, it will be calling to the callback function, and that callback function is executing this task. So here I can send as a response res dot end, and I'll sharing some response to the client. Hello everyone, welcome to Node.js tutorial. Now let's Control C and clear the screen and call node HTTP modules. Yeah, no, now next step also we have left the listen. We need to listen. So server is to listen and some port 3000. You can give any port number. So now it will listen. Now parallelly go to your localhost 3000 and now see, hello everyone, welcome to Node.js tutorial. So that's how it's also showing the server is connected. So that's how you can create a server, HTTP server with the help of HTTP module. And this callback function we have written separately. We can directly pass this callback function to inside of this method, and it also work same as we are working here. Now it will work same. If you go back, let's open in a browser. So see, it's working fine. Hello everyone, welcome to Node.js tutorial. So that's how you can work with HTTP module. Thanks for watching this tutorial and continue with the other modules. Thanks.